See this product? Many people mistake it for burnt cement, but it's not. Do you see this paper here? This is a linen adhesive wallpaper. Okay, that's what it is. ED linen wallpaper is the product you should put on the wall in your house. Hey everyone, how's it going? Get paper and a pen ready to take notes because I have something to share. The best items, the best cheap decorations, spending just a little to decorate your house. As you guys requested with lots of comments here, Ed, bring us a video with decorative items so we can decorate our living room without spending much. So I brought it for you here now in this video. Enjoy and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't yet. Alright, that's it. Like this video, I know you'll enjoy it. Also leave a comment. And taking advantage of all these items I'm going to show you here now in this video, their purchase links are down below in the description. I'm going to give you tips and suggestions for products you can use to decorate your living room, and I'll also show you the source where I buy these products. Alright? So, let's get to the video. First item, this one here, costing only Ringgit Malaysia, 150 Ringgit Malaysia, 159.99 Ringgit Malaysia, 160. It's a multi-purpose buffet sideboard, inexpensive, easy for you to put in that corner of your living room. This sideboard here is for you who want to put that coffee machine, that nice drink you like to have at home, right behind the sofa in that little entryway. So why not then the inexpensive Ringgit Malaysia, 160. It's about 1 meter wide, 70 centimeters tall, and 30 centimeters deep. The link is down here in the description. I'll leave the specifications for you as well. And just to start off at a high level regarding the price, all right? Do you want to decorate your house, decorate a corner of your living room or the entryway, especially with a buffet console table? This little model here is the most recommended. It's the cheapest one. I'll also leave other models for you down here in the video description, all right? I'll leave 4 models of buffet console tables. This one, which is the cheapest at Ringgit Malaysia, 160, and some others going up to Ringgit Malaysia, 300, a little over Ringgit Malaysia, 300. Yeah, but it's really cheap, guys, super affordable for you to decorate. I'm sure you're missing a little buffet table at home, that nice piece of furniture for you to put your coffee machine on, and some cool decorations right there. Look, we're already starting at a high level here to help you decorate your living room, all right? The second item, which is a viral hit, is one of the most requested and chosen of all time. A slatted panel can be made of medium density fiberboard or even plastic. Who wouldn't want to have a slatted panel on their television wall? On the side next to your bed, okay, on a wall in the guest bathroom, or really in several rooms of your house. Now, let's discuss a slatted panel in your living room. This model that I picked out for you here, there are several links down below in the description. I'm picking out some models here for you. You can buy it in size 1 with a very tall length and a width of 20 to 30 centimeters. So then you buy the panels, you'll measure the height of your wall, your television room, and you'll measure the width. You'll see in the specifications in the link I left here that it shows the width of each model you choose. Then you add them up to know how many you'll need to use in your house. But pay attention, slatted panels are one of the most requested products, one of the most beautiful decoration styles that clients always ask me for. In new projects, in current projects, and especially when we're going to revamp the decoration of a house or an apartment, it's like, I want a slatted panel, so keep that in mind. Slatted panels are a timeless decoration. I consider it a timeless decoration. It will never go out of style. I always advise in my videos, don't overdo it. Avoid putting slatted panels on every wall like the back entrance or others. Don't fill the place with slatted panels. On the contrary, choose one wall, pick a nice color for the slatted panel and put it there. And you'll see the luxury, the transformation it will bring to your space. Alright, so slatted panel. You can't afford to replace porcelain tiles, but want to update your home's flooring. Here's a great alternative. The only thing you'll need to do to your floor to install glued vinyl flooring, the glued vinyl flooring style, is to even out the grout lines. Alright, you're going to apply a little bit of mortar or acrylic paste to the grout lines, using a trowel or a spatula to level it out. Because we know that between the joints of one tile and another on the floor, there's a little curve. There, you know, that little dip, that little depression going down, that will cause waves in your vinyl flooring if you install it directly without treating the grout lines. So first, level the grout lines, all right? Use acrylic paste, mortar, or even some other types of paste, and then you can glue the vinyl flooring directly on top of your floor in your room. That way, it's inexpensive. If you compare it to any other type of flooring, porcelain tile, laminate, or traditional glued vinyl, the one that uses glue and is even made of PVC, it will be much more expensive. If you choose one of these floors, this one, the glued one, has the same surfaces, the same designs, and it's much easier. And best of all, pay attention to what I'm about to tell you. You can install it yourself. You can install it yourself, okay? You don't need to hire a professional. Just watch some videos here on YouTube, and you'll be able to install this glued vinyl flooring in your living room, your bedroom, the entry hall, any room in your house. And you'll spend very little, okay? You'll be renewing your floor and spending very little since it's a vinyl floor. Its material is a very durable adhesive, so it's going to last a long time in your home, and it's even water resistant. You can even wash this floor of yours many times without any worries, using this self-adhesive vinyl flooring model glued onto your puff linen floor. Guys, this product here is one that the last few times I recommended it, people bought a lot and really liked this model of puff. I've already said it, and I always say it here in the videos on the channel, that it's not that colorful puff you're going to put in your house, okay? It's not that green, yellow, blue, or white one. It's not that kind of puff. It's this one here, a linen puff. The same amount you would pay for that puff over there, you would pay for this one here. It's all right. This one is a little more expensive. But when it comes to decorating your house, like I said, you'll spend very little and have a beautiful decoration. A modern item. Something that will complement the decoration of your space, your living room, and it's a very functional product. Are you running out of space in your living room? Man, like I get visitors here and wow, a lot of times I'm missing that little stool, that extra seat. Anyway, here, look, a linen ottoman, okay? I've left some sets for you in the description with links. Prices vary, 40, 60, 80, or 200 Rs, depending on what you want. I left several links here for you to choose from, but keep this in mind, pay attention. It's not that green and yellow beanbag with the team logo with a superhero decoration, is it? That one we'll leave for our kids' room, okay, for your living room, your workspace, your living area. It's this model here that you'll choose the linen beanbag to put in your living room. It'll decorate it and you'll really like it. A large plant pot to decorate your living room. Why not put that cool, beautiful pot in the corner of our living room? Your television room, your living room is missing that special touch. It's missing that highlight there. You don't know what to do here. How about a large plant pot to decorate that corner of your living room? And if you have time, like I have a little time in my life, in my daily routine, put a real plant there. All right, I really like it. But if you don't have time, if you're really busy working all day on weekends and you like to go out, using an artificial plant is fine. Many people like them, others don't. It depends on your time. If you have time to take care of a real plant, great. If you don't, just put an artificial one there and put a big plant pot in that corner, the corner of your living room. There's a television stand there, and then right next to your television stand. Something's missing, man. This corner is empty. Something's missing in my living room. It's missing that touch, that natural vibe. Put a big plant pot there and take the opportunity to add a plant too. So you can see the difference, the change it will make in your space. For a simple product, a big pot with a plant. See this product here, this product right here? Many people mistake this for polished concrete, but it's not. See this paper? This is a linen adhesive wallpaper, okay? What is this? It's like linen wallpaper. That's the product you should put on your wall at home. All right, guys, it's not that floral wallpaper either, full of decorative stuff. That looks like a carnival, right? That's not the wallpaper you're going to put up. This one, look, this one is in my office. See this one here? When you run your hand over it, see, you get that feeling like you're touching linen fabric? All right, this is the product you're going to use. Look, it's this wallpaper here, this one. It has a burnt cement effect. For example, to decorate the headboard, the wall behind the bed in the suite, the wall. Most of the time, for example, if I put it, I told you about the slatted panel on the television wall. It wasn't on the other 3 walls. I didn't want to paint. I wanted something more interesting, like single color linen wallpaper. That nice fabric you like to touch is a product that can be cleaned, just a damp cloth with a neutral product, okay? So here it is. My tip is also not that colorful wallpaper that looks like a carnival. It's this style here that you should choose. And the links where you can buy the models I'm showing you here are down below in the description of this video. So, don't make excuses now for not decorating your house while spending very little, spending only what's necessary. Don't make excuses. All these products I just showed you in this video, the links are down below in the description. These are inexpensive products, they're modern products, they're timeless products that, in my opinion, will never go out of style. Alright? You might disagree with me or not, that's totally fine, you might agree. But these are products you'll always be able to use as decoration in your home. You'll be able to decorate your living room. Products that you'll get functionality from, like for example the console table or the Ottoman, these are products you'll always be using in your daily life. Functional. And you'll be able to spend very little to decorate the spaces in your home, especially your living room. So, this video is a request from you guys. It's a special video so you don't have any excuses not to decorate your home, especially your living room. Did you like it? Did you enjoy this video here? I'm sure you did. I told you it would be worth your like, so if you forgot to leave a like at the beginning of the video, do it now, like this video, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in our next video. Take care.